This video presents the installation of CSR Hebel Powerfloor. Similar to a conventional suspended floor, the Powerfloor system consists of lightweight joist framing supporting Hebel Powerfloor panels fastened with screws and construction adhesive. This exceptional floor system is best suited for suspended floor applications in lightweight frame constructions such as ground floor levels of sloping sites, upper story levels of multi-level buildings, and mezzanine levels of commercial industrial buildings. The screw and adhesive fixing, along with our new tongue and groove profile panels, provide a rigid connection. This enhances the floor joist performance, providing a stiffer floor than a conventional flooring system on similar joists. Check the quantities of Powerfloor panels and associated accessories supplied by CSR Hebel are on site and correct. Ideally, the bundles of panels should be positioned on a similar level as the work area. This will eliminate the need for overhead lifting. Either distribute the bundles over the floor area, providing necessary support propping, or supply a separate platform for bundle storage. Planning the set-out of the bundles can reduce the need for moving bundles, which clash with the installation area. We suggest providing sheeting for a safe work area around bundles. The Powerfloor panel is typically 600 mm wide. To minimize on-site cutting along the length of the panel, provide necessary set-out marks such as a chalk line a multiple of 600 from the finished edge of the floor. The amount of on-site cutting can be further reduced by providing floor areas that suit the 600 mm width module and the joist spacing that suit the standard panel length of 1800 mm. After confirming the location of the end support joist and the need for cutting, the panel can be cut with a circular saw fitted with a diamond-tip cutting blade and preferably a vacuum attachment while ensuring a P1 or P2 class breathing apparatus, eye and hearing protection are worn. Reinforcement exposed during the cutting process shall be coated with a liberal application of Fentac anti-corrosive agent, available from CSR Hebel. Lifting and maneuvering the panels is aided by the use of purpose-built lifting handles. These handles should be located at mid-height and face outwards in alternate directions. This will help stabilize the panel. Prior to installing a panel, the common end or long edge of the installed panel shall be covered with CSR Hebel adhesive, a cementitious adhesive for bonding all edges of the panels. Mix the Hebel adhesive in the bucket provided by adding water and mixing with a stirring attachment which is powered by a standard electric drill. Using a trowel, place Hebel adhesive along the required panel edge. Alternatively, Hebel adhesive could be placed on the edge of the panel being installed should the installer find this easier. With the panel at the work area, provide a bead of construction adhesive to the top of the required joists. Typically, the bead should be a minimum of 5 mm in diameter. Using the chalk line, position the panel and then roll the panel onto the adhesive. Check the position and adjust as required. The panel is fastened to the joists with the appropriate screws. 2 screws are installed in each joist, except at the panel ends where screws aren't necessarily required. Panels shall be set out in a staggered pattern. Panels are installed end-to-end for the length of the floor, with the last panel being cut to suit. The end-to-end joint cannot coincide with the adjacent row of panels. These joints should be offset a minimum of 600 mm, typically a joist spacing giving a staggered pattern. Panels may need to be cut to suit site dimensions. In this case, panels should be cut down to no less than 900 mm long and 270 mm wide, with reinforcing coated with Fentac anti-corrosive agent. Note that all offcuts should be kept as they can be used. At changes in panel direction, ensure sufficient support is provided at the ends of the panels and the panel covers a minimum of 2 spans. Repeat steps 1 to 6 continuously until the floor is completed. Finally, prepare the floor surface for floor coverings by filling screw holes, open joints and chips with Hebel adhesive or Hebel patch. Ensure control joints are filled with a polyurethane sealant or fire-rated sealant for fire-rated applications. For more information on the construction of CSR Hebel Powerfloor, contact your CSR Hebel distributor or phone toll-free on 1300 369 448. You can also visit our website at www.hebelaustralia.com.au.